and say
Mama,
happy
happy
birthday.
birthday.
Love you. I love you. Say, no, mama will give. Oh my god, mama. Okay, mama will make sure. Please, it won't. Should it? See? Just saved my white sweatshirt. Otherwise, high chances of getting strawberry stains. So, are we snacking? Are we snacking? Early morning snacking? Not so early morning, but yeah. Mama will let you. Please don't do that. Your hands will get messy. That's what we do. No. Please. Actually, you can keep it. You can keep it on the table and then you can have it. Do you want to wish me again? Do you want to wish me again? Say, Mama, happy birthday. Please. Please. Don't do that. Love for strawberry. Say bye-bye. See you soon. See you soon. See you soon. See you soon. More. You first finish your strawberry. So it's my birthday. 30th December 2021. And what Mama doing? Nothing. We are just having early morning TV time because that's very important. Whenever Arya wakes up, she just want to watch a little bit of YouTube, some songs, and that's how she starts her day. So that's what we are doing. And these are the seasons of strawberries. She's loving it. She just want to have, whenever she can have. Whenever she's craving for something or she's a little bit of hungry, if you ask if you want strawberries, and she will say, yeah. Say, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, that's what she does. So, yeah, we are having this strawberries eating session. And after that, we will have a breakfast. What do you want to have in breakfast? Any special? Any special you demand today in your breakfast? You want anything special?
Yeah.
What? What do you want? What do you want? Bread with peanut butter or Nutella?
Yeah.
You can have bread with Nutella. Especially today. Okay, today we are going to have some bread sandwich, maybe with something, and Arya will have bread with peanut butter. Yes, that's what you're going to have. No cornflakes for today? No cornflakes. No cornflakes. No cornflakes. Yes, that's how we are starting our day. We do have few of the things to, do or finish as it's year end. So yeah, we need to check out few things. I wish to vlog more today, and I will for sure. Okay, so let me end this a little bit of clippy. Okay, what? That's how you do. That's how you do. Okay, where's Rabbit? Oh my, what are you doing? You settling these cards? Do you want to play with these cards anymore? Wow, you don't want to. What are you doing, baby? Okay, opposite. Just flip it up. Flip it. These are not the one which we are learning. We are learning this. Is this zebra? Is this zebra, Arya? Is this zebra? Giraffe. Long neck giraffe. Okay, she is arranging all the cards. What are these cards, Arya? Farm or wild animal? Ah, are you sorting them correctly? Huh? Making them separate? Farm and wild animal? So yes, we are going to have a little bit of this play session with Arya. This is the early morning routine. This is one of the part which we do almost every day. We pick one of the card. It could be a number, it could be a letters. And today she has picked up the animals. So yeah, today we are learning animals. all the wild or farm animals? Old MacDonald's farm animals? Yeah.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
And do you wanna play with Mama?
Yeah.
And after that, what are you gonna learn? Some Galaxy? Mama got Galaxy card too. Some Galaxy?
Yeah.
I love you.
Yeah.
Oh my god. You're learning so fast. You're learning everything. Almost everything you're learning so fast. Okay. It's time to do something now. First, let's finish these cards and then Mama is going to do something. Mama need to do something. Okay, quickly we'll finish this.
Yeah.
Quickly. A very quick one.
Yeah.
A very quick one. Yeah. High five.
Yeah.
High five. That's how she gets so excited when we sit here and we play with anything. It could be anything. Okay? So now, shall I end it? Shall I end this vloggy? Okay. Let's focus on the cards. Little baby, you want me to work out? You don't want me to work out? You want me to come home? Let's get back. Let's get back. Enough of a workout session. Oh, let's go. Come. No more workout. Okay, you can do that. Thank you. Come back. Mama going. Careful. Darling, come back. Yay! Love you. Let's go back. Let's get back. No, she won't. I know she won't come back now. It's very bright sunlight area. We'll come in the evening. We'll come back again. I love you. Oh, really? You love Mama? You love Mama? You love Mama? How much? Say so much. Say so much. Okay, now she will take some time. Come running. Come running to Mama. Give me a kissy. Oh, I love you so much. Time to go back. Okay, Mama going now. Finally. Calling you last time. Let's get back. Calling you last time. Let's get back. Say bye-bye. Okay, bye-bye. Mama going. Bye. Where are we heading now?
Mama.
Yeah, Mama. Where are we heading? Downstairs? Dada calling? Let's go. Oh my god. What happened? So, are and Mama together? Mama vlogging? You wanna vlog? You wanna say something? Will you be in your best behavior? Okay. Let's go. Out here now. Where's Dada? Oh, he finished it. Getting back. So ready for the day. Still need to blow dry my hair. Now it's time to prepare some lunch. It's cooking time. Let's get going. Cake. Okay, that's the cake. Yeah, got this cake for my birthday. Arya is here. What are you doing with tissue? Oh no. These are Savlon wipes. You shouldn't touch them. No. And two of them. Just pick it up. Give it to Mama. Pick it up. Now give it to Mama. Now get back. Going. Go. Please. Get back. Your movie running? You wanna see your movie? Please go. You wanna have some paratha? Okay, today we are going to have paratha and paneer. Paneer curry and paratha. Yo, Apple! Oh my god, you're sitting here. Mama can't see you, don't do this. Multitasking is not working out. Multitasking is not working out. Oh, okay. You got a big chunk of paneer. Need to add some salt as well. Need to make this also chaotic. Super chaotic. Aya, Dada calling. Oh my god, oh my god. Mama will run over you. Please जाओ यहाँ से. Dada. Just want to see. See what Mama making. Some yummy, 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 yummy. This big chunk. ना बड़ा. क्यों काटा है? This is for Arya. Time to have some cake, and the strawberry wasn't added in this cake. I added it because it was so plain. Yeah, and I needed to. Thank you. What? Some more? Curry time. Strawberry. She will have some. Yum, 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 num, 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 num. Mama,
Mama.
say, say it. Don't look at Dada's phone.
Hello?
Come out from your laptop. Come out from your laptop. Come out from your laptop. Time to cut cake. Strawberry. Just cut the strawberry and kept it. Okay, now sing a song for Mama. Happy birthday.
To you. Happy
can you clap,
birthday
clap?
to you.
Can you clap?
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday.
Dada.
Arya's
Okay,
mama.
thank you so much. No candles to blow, but I'll make a wish. Da, 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 da. Okay. Do you want to have this? Can't prove. Mmm. It's a keto cranberry cheesecake. Why did I say keto? I don't know. It's cranberry cheesecake. Cranberry cheesecake. I'm going to cut that part.
No, no.
It's really num num. Orange, do you want to try? You want to try this cake? I need tissue. You will love with the crust. Okay, try this. Num num cake. Num num cake.
Ah, ah.
Okay, Nana? Tummy full? Tummy full? She's sleepy now. Really good. I love it. I love it every time I have it. So good. My favorite. Ultimate favorite. See her son. So good. Say hi.
Hi.
Vloggy.
Body.
Vlog.
Wow.
Can we end this vlog here? Can we end this vlog here? Why? Because it's a nap time. Wish me again. Say happy birthday. Mama.
Mama.
Happy birthday, Mama.
Happy.
Happy birthday, Mama.
Mama.
Give me a kiss. Okay. Okay. Oh my God. What happened? What happened? What happened? What happened? What happened? Cry, baby.
One second, let me just get to that. Yes, I just wanted to ask Bangalore Safari.
Nap time. Nap time. Let's go. Again. Oh my God. Stop crying. No nap. You don't want a nap? Okay, okay. You don't want a nap?
Yeah.
You want a vlog?
Yeah.
No, no nappy nappy?
Yeah.
Why?
Yeah.
Why?
Yeah.
What? It's so chilly. Come. So chilly. Dada made it so chilly. With all those fans and AC. Yeah, that's the problem. That's the problem. Now we are having a movie. Say signing
Signing
off.
up.
Good night.
Good night.
See ya
See ya.
tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Bye-bye.
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 Clappy clap. Wish me again. Wish me again. Say happy. Say happy. Happy. Can you please wish me again?
Alexa,
Say happy birthday. Mama. Clappy clappy. Clappy clappy. That's how we clap. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
See ya. Okay, bye-bye. So, what's going on here? Can you see the madness? Yeah. Today, she's making an exception. She doesn't do this every day. Just waiting for the one last diaper change before bed. And she is making it so difficult. She's in she's in a mood where she wants to play more. She doesn't want to go to bed. It's already 8:30. And Mama is making an exception because it's Mama's birthday. Arya, it's Mama's birthday. What are you doing? Cleaning? Dusting? But you need a towel for that. You need a piece of cloth, not a paper. Crazy, going crazy. Arya going crazy. Arya going crazy. Arya going crazy. The title of this video is going to Arya gone crazy. What is that? Ah. Not listening. Usual struggle. Yeah, that's what they learn when they grow little old and they reach into this toddler stage. Literally, it's a hustle what you do with your kids. What is she doing? Just don't understand. Arya, stop doing that. It's all cleaned. It's all cleaned already. You don't need to do that. Okay, now it's Mama calling for last time. This is the final warning. Final warning, final warning, final warning. Final warning, final warning, final warning. Oh, really? I think I should just end this clip right here and should focus on her. Otherwise she won't stop.
So I know. I'm sure there is some reason. So what I told them is,
This guy
you
is
send me
already
the
busy
list
on
of
call
advances.
already.
See,
So I'm finally signing off this vlog
I'm just telling you.
and we will meet next year, 2022, baby. See ya.